What makes the level 3 Turkish straight razor the professional's choice? Let's get into the details. So this is one of the lightest straight razors ever manufactured and also one of the slimmest, making it easier to get into hard to reach areas like the goatee, mustache, and even around the ear, which most professionals struggle with. I also want to highlight two features on the Turkish straight razor, one being the serrated edge on the tang and the other being the finger groove on the tail. These two features here provide you with stability and control when doing detail work with your straight razor. So a question I often get is, how do you insert the blade into the blade holder? Well, let me show you how. Grab your level 3 double-edged straight razor blade, apply pressure on both sides, snapping the blade in half, then shift your blade to a vertical position, tearing it right down the middle. You're gonna wanna carefully expose that blade, removing the wrapper completely, and at that point, you should have the blade exposed fully. Next, you're going to want to remove the two teeth on both corners of the blade by snapping them in half. And just like that, you're ready to insert the blade. These are available in 3 different colors. They're red, white, and black. I'm personally going to go with the white. What you're going to want to do is find the entry point in the front of this blade and slide that blade into position. Once you've got it locked in, you're ready to go. Now that you're familiar with how the blade holder works, level up your detail and shave game and get your level 3 Turkish blade holder today.